Hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to show you how to play videos and photos on your PS5 using a USB flash drive. So the process for this is very simple, but there's a few steps that you have to follow or it's not going to work correctly. So the two supported video formats right now are MKV and MP4 with 4K max resolution, 60 frames per second, and you can also view various picture file formats as well. So the very first thing that you want to do is to insert your USB flash drive into a computer and make sure that it's formatted correctly. So to do that, locate your flash drive in your File Explorer, right-click it, go to Format, and under File System, it should be either exFAT or FAT32. NTFS is not supported on PS5, so if you have that, you're going to have to reformat, otherwise you're good to go. And also be aware that if you do reformat it, it's going to wipe whatever's on the flash drive, so make sure to back up all of your files. I'm not going to do it right here because mine's already on exFAT, and also I already have the files set up and I don't want to wipe them. So as you can see, I have a 4K MKV file ready to go, and I also have a 1080p MP4 file. They're both the same Spider-Man trailer, and then I also have a folder of 3 PNG pictures, and then lastly, I want to demonstrate how you can have subfolders as well, and you can kind of create playlists using these. So one thing that you want to be aware of is that all of your files have to go into top level folders. You can't have them just sitting outside of a folder, otherwise it's not going to be detected by the PS5. So really at this point we're good to go, and we can go over the PS5 and try to play some of these files. So to access all of our files on the PS5 main menu, make sure you're on the Games tab and then go to the Media Gallery app. Once we're in here, go to the USB tab on the top, and then you're going to see all of our folders. So we can play these files now. We can start off with this one, and if you press Options and then go to Information, you can see Info. So as you can see, we have a 1920 by 1080 video, and you can just select it and play it. By pressing the arrows on your D-pad, you can fast forward and rewind the video. And as you can see, it works fine.
He was right.
You can also try the 4K one. Skip ahead to this middle part.
Your dad said that. He was right.
Now I also want to show you how to see photos. You can just select them and then cycle through them with R1 and L1. There's no way right now to create a playlist that kind of rotates through the photos automatically, and that's pretty useful for certain events and things like that, so I hope they add that at some point. But right now you have to cycle through them manually. And then also, if you look at the subfolders folder, you can create subfolders, and within these you can just play the videos as you normally would. So that's really all there is to this media player right now. Not too much, but just make sure you go to the USB tab on Media Gallery, and then you're going to see all of your stuff. So that's all I have for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.